Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In the last video, we saw about creation of RAID groups entity and populating in the extension, and then we created a type list also. In this video, we will populate the values in this entity. For this, so in job process, we will call pre-code. In this pre-code, right, we will be doing actual things. I don't want to modify existing pre-code because it's been calling in other places. So what I did, I have created one more method, run precode conditions, and this method I'll utilize over there. Let's see where it is being used. It is being used in two places. So one is rate as well as code. For us, code is fine. So now how to start? If we see here, we have a variable called branch. This is the global variable. So we have branch, then we are good. What we can do, we have multiple LOBs as well. If branch dot, so before this, instead of like this, what I will do, I'll create one more function, private function populate vehicle rate groups. Sorry guys, underscore ext. Yes, let's open the method, and this I'll call over here. If branch dot only personal auto line exists, then call this one. Yes, here we will get vehicles where vehicles is equal to branch dot. To retrieve these values, right, we already made video. We can refer that video how to get like this line dot vehicles, line dot drivers. This I have explained in the basics of Gosuk video. You guys can refer that video. So now we have vehicles. Now see, if vehicles has elements, yes, if we have element, go inside. Okay, then each one vehicles dot each. Here ELT is nothing but vehicle. Yes, if vehicle dot rate groups dot has elements. If we have elements, no need. If we don't have, then only come. If we have it, that we need to do it in the next. Okay, we will do everything here. If vehicles have this array, if we don't have any elements, then come inside and let's create an object of what? Let's go and create this rate groups related one. Let me go back job process. If we don't have elements, vehicle dot coverages, we need to populate for each coverage dot each. This is vehicle cow. Okay, instead of that, we can go with vehicle cow. Okay, then we need to create object of rate groups where rate group new of, yes, we need to pass bundle here. See, it is throwing an error. It is required. Okay, if we pass branch, that is also fine, I think. Yeah, because already we are in the quote only, right? So bundle will automatically come to the picture. Okay, we are passing the branch because it's an updated. Next rate group in before this where coverage name is equal to vehicle cow dot display name. Yes, if coverage name dot length is more than 255, then coverage name, because it's a short text, it should not cross beyond 255. So what we can do, coverage name dot substring 0 comma 254, so that maximum length we will have it. Then rate group dot coverage name, is equal to coverage name, whatever coverage name is there, that one. Then rate group dot, what I can say, sorry guys, rate group value. How can we populate? I don't have any requirement as of now. So, mm, what we can do? I'm just thinking, let's assign TC underscore 00 as of now. Okay. How we can do it, if vehicle dot vehicle number, if we can get vehicle number as 1 2 3 4 like this, right? Yes, 1 2 3. Hmm, if I go rate group values 0001, give me a minute, guys. Yeah, sorry for the trouble. So if we go rate group values, we have 0001 02 03 04 like that. So what we can do, based on the vehicle number, we will get this. Okay. How to get then? Yes, let's show where vehicle number is equal to vehicle dot vehicle number. We have from 00. So what we will do? We will do -1. Yes, if vehicle number is less than 9, then we will we will suffix 0. Vehicle number equal to 0 plus, sorry, this 0 should be double quotes. Then only it will get suffix. Okay, 0 plus vehicle number. Yes. Okay, then we will go with modified vehicle number. Yes. Now we will get until vehicle number is 9, we are going to attach. Then only 0001 02 like that we will get. Then here, when we are retrieving, instead of like this, dot get, here we will pass modified vehicle number. It is showing, usually we will utilize get, okay, but it is showing it as, and then get code, no, get type key. Yeah, because in case of striked out, right, that is deprecated, we should not use. That's why. Else, if we have more than 10 vehicles, then we will hard code this value to 9, sorry, 10. So in case of more than 10, right, we will go with the 10 as a vehicle group, rate group. So we will do alignment. To do alignment, select complete code, Control Alt L. Yes. So what we did, we are going for each vehicle, inside each vehicle coverage, and we are assigning coverage name, and we are assigning rate group value, and then override we will mark it as false. Here itself I'll keep override is equal to false. Yes, done. Do the alignment. Yeah, perfect now. So this is what it is to populate. Now the case is, once we edit and quote, these values will be committed in the database. Then how to go? So else condition. If we have already elements, in case of no elements, it will go inside. If we have elements, then vehicle dot coverages dot again each. First thing, if we have any rate group with override as is, right, we need to exclude those. Then how we can go? I'm just thinking, guys, to achieve the things because this is array relationship to vehicles. Let's suppose we have a coverage for that, and moreover, it's only for vehicle coverages like collision, comp, those only. Liability, line level coverages, we will not get. So when it comes to this one, if user is already overridden or else during submission they added and then quoted, then edited and removed the coverage, that time we will not get it the things, right? So these things and all we need to consider how to do, just thinking it, how to do those things. And let's get all vehicle coverage names is equal to vehicle dot coverages dot map ELT dot display name. Yes, we will get all vehicle related coverage names and then where rate group coverage names is equal to vehicle dot rate group dot map ELT dot coverage name. Okay, first we need to check whether both are existing or not. Uh, to get unique things, we need to follow some Java related things. Let me go and ask AI once. So however, I'm in Copilot, sorry, not Copilot, Comet browser, that is Perplexity AI. I have two lists. How to, uh, let me tell you, list one has coverage A and coverage B, coverage A only. Okay, and list 2 has curve A and curve B. How to get the difference between, how to get difference value in Java, because both might be both are same, Java and Gosu. Okay, let's see curve A and curve B. Okay, we can have a differential. Let me go here. So what it is telling, differential, then it will, okay, remove all. We are creating a new list where difference list. Whenever we get any issues like this, right, in even in our project, we can utilize AI, but in our projects, we will not get complete um, access to AI. You can utilize your mobile, get the how it is doing. In the same way, we can do it. So what it is doing, array list. Okay, array list of list 2. Array list of, I do not want to go like this. Okay. Sorry, here list 2 is nothing but rate group coverage names. Yes, then difference dot removal. So it should be string here. No, some issue. New of array list here. Going with the list 2. Okay. Arguments are expected. selected, and then remove all we are doing. Okay, string. Yeah. Oh, still cannot resolve constructor like this. Then what we can do, do, yeah, string. Why it is coming like this? Okay, we should have like this, yeah. Difference list dot add all vehicle coverage names. Yeah, this is string only. Okay, dot to, yes. So then here also dot to list. Then we will get difference list. In that case, we need to remove all those things. So vehicle dot rate groups dot each. I'll go with rate group. Okay. If difference list contains rate groups dot coverage name. Yes, if we have it, then remove it. Remove from vehicle. Vehicle dot remove from rate groups. Here it's a rate group. So like this, we need to remove. We need to get the difference and then remove it. So let me add comments. So brand new submission where no RGs exist. Yes. So in this case, straightforward. We will go and add it. User edit and code the policy. So this is the scenario where user is remove RGs where user removed coverages. Yes, this is one way to do it. If we have any other way also, we can do that. Once it is done, we remove the things. And here also we need to do add to vehicle dot coverages, each one rate group we created, right? So at the end, we need to do vehicle dot add to rate groups, rate group. Yeah. When we are adding any value to array relationship, right? Because in vehicle we have array relationship to rate group, so add to. And if you are removing, remove from. This is common practice across guideware policy center. And then if user adds a new coverage, then how to get it? Then same question, let me ask perplexity. Okay, kavye. Here I'll go with kavye, kavbi. List 2 has only kavbi. Will it give the same or not? Let's see. Yeah, I think same here also, but here it is vice versa now. So earlier we were going here with the list 1, right? Now it is with, sorry, earlier it was list 2, now it is list 1. So what we need to do? Again, same. We have both things. Then same thing, we will create a new one. So this is add difference list. Let me mark it as this one, remove difference list. Yes, then add difference list. Here we need to go in reverse way. So add difference list, we will go with here also we were going with the list 2. This should be list 2, right? Do we have it? This one. Yeah, this should be list 2. That means here we should go with the list 2 vehicle coverage names. That's rate group names. We will add and we will remove all vehicle coverage names. Yes. Now this is vice versa. List 1 and then remove rate group names. Yes, we are adding all the things to list 1 and then we are removing it. Once it is done, again same thing we need to go. How to go? Then vehicle dot coverages. Same way. What we are doing? Vehicle dot rate groups dot each and removing. Here same thing we will do, but we will have a condition. Let me copy. Come here, paste it. Yes, vehicle dot coverages. If add difference list contains vehicle cow dot display name, then go ahead and do it. Yes, perfect. Oh, we are getting some error. Let's resolve it. Now this should end above here, not below. Yes, do alignment properly. So now what we are doing, we are getting any coverage is added. So we are removing all the things. If it contains here, we are creating an object and then adding to rate groups. So this is the way which we are doing. If user is overridden, then we are not touching because we are not removing and re-adding. So fine. I saw in most of the projects, instead of comparing, right, they will simply remove the things and re-add the things. That will not work properly here. If we remove and re-adds, right, when it comes to the policy changes, it completely show in the policy review screen. Even that impacts on the these documents as well. So we should not do removing and re-adding it. Instead of that, we need to do like this. If the user edit and quote, we need to compare the existing ones and current ones. We need to do like this logics only. Otherwise, things will get um, complex and complex more in future. Add RJs where user adds new coverages. New coverage. Yes, so this is what we did. So now we return code and then in next video we will populate all these things in the PCF. Here if we see it right, we have vehicle details. Beside vehicle details, we will populate vehicle rate groups and same rate groups we will populate in a row iterator, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video.